Good morning, guys. Hopefully everyone's staying safe, inside, not doing anything crazy, uh, and working through this packet. Because I know it looks like a lot of work, but I promise you, you guys will have more than enough time to get it all done. April 29th, this is the third video for this second packet. What we're doing today is we're finding the total quantity and represent proportional relationships with equations. These are tough, so I want you guys to pay very close attention to number 1, because I'm going to want you guys to try number 2 on your own, okay? Question number 1 says, to make a certain shade of purple, 3 parts blue is mixed with 5 parts red. Mr. Fisher wants to purchase a gallon of the purple paint mixture to paint his daughter's bedroom. How many ounces of blue paint is required for a gallon of this mixture? This is tough. So, first what I did was, at the top, we wanted to figure out how many total parts this was going to be. Right? So if we have 3 parts blue and 5 parts red, 3 plus 5 equals 8 total parts. So there's 8 total parts going into this. And we want to figure out how many ounces of blue paint is required for a gallon of the mixture. Excuse me. So we know y equals kx is our equation, and we want to find k. Your k is y over x. This is the same information that we've been using. But now, what we're going to have is we're going to find our k by doing the parts that are blue over the total parts. And that's going to give us our percentage or our decimal that represents the amount of blue paint in the total can. So what it's going to be is k is going to be the 3 blue parts over the 8 total parts. Oops, excuse me. So 3 over 8. And when we do this, we get k equals 0.375. That's the k we're going to use. So what we're going to have to do is, to solve our problem, how many ounces of blue paint, that's why I used the 3, is required for a gallon. So we know that it's going to be y equals k times x. Y equals, the k is the 0.375 times our x is going to represent the fluid ounces in the total product. And we want to make a gallon. So it's going to be times 128. 128 fluid ounces of this paint is what we want. So, break out the calculator if you need it. All we have to do is the multiplication that's happening here to figure out how many ounces of blue paint we're going to need. So it's going to be the 0.375 times 128, and it ends up being, we need 48 ounces of blue paint. And that's it. So for number 2, I want you guys to follow the same steps, where you find the part, you find what part of the overall mixture is going to be what we're looking for. Since we were looking for blue, we did 3 over the 8 total. Then you just have to multiply that by the total amount of fluid ounces that they are looking for. I think you guys are capable. Good luck. See you soon.